Hey Crawltopia, Josh here. Today we are going to be starting the dash build. Finally found some good pictures thanks to the Rock Lizard forum on Facebook. So now I put together a cardboard stencil. I'm going to transfer that stencil over to some aluminum that I bought and start working on the dash. So here's the aluminum I bought. It still has the plastic on it. I got this from Summit. If you buy it in this size, they'll ship it for free. So should be plenty to do what I need to do. And I have all these measurements for the dash, stencil cutouts that I need to cut. So let's get started. So when cutting aluminum with an angle grinder, it's going to make a huge mess. Okay, you're going to get some really fine shavings, almost like, you know, like a thick powder, and it's going to get everywhere. Okay, so you definitely want to wear some gloves that are really protective, because it will burn your arms when it hits you, and some face covering, because that aluminum gets in your hair, it gets everywhere. And the other thing too is it's really loud. That's why I moved everything outside, because it's going to be really loud. It's like echoes. So use hearing protection if you have it. Do it outside so it won't echo in the garage or your shop. And go carefully, right? And it does get really hot. So I do like cutting steel a lot more because it's not as loud and not as messy, but aluminum it is. So here you can see that really fine dust or shavings that comes off with the grinding disc. It's super fine. It's like like a powder almost, so it can get in your eyes. Gets everywhere. All right, so this is the piece I just cut, still rough, but it's gonna go right here like that. Looks pretty good. Happy with it. Let's keep going. So I've used a lot of angle grinders. I've burned I don't know how many out, too many to count. Right now I have this rigid. It really wasn't real expensive, I think around $100, and has been amazing, worth every cent. Some other good brands would be like DeWalt, Milwaukee. I did burn out a DeWalt though, but it was after building that thing. So right now I'm running this rigid and I really like it. Cutting discs. So right now I'm running Benchmark abrasives, cutting discs, 4.5 inch metal cutting wheels. You can get these on Amazon. I'll post a link below. I'm not sponsored by them. I have used every cutting disc you can imagine, and bang for buck, these are, in my opinion, the best. I really like the Diablos from Home Depot, but they're really expensive. I think these, I don't know the exact price, but I'll put the link below. These are really great. They last a long time and affordable.
When cutting aluminum, I like to etch the aluminum first and then go backwards, back and forth in about 3-inch lines. That way the disc is doing all the work and it's not binding up. Never force the disc to cut the aluminum.
Alright, so I got pretty much most of the panels all assembled here. I'm gonna have to adjust some of these, you know, cut some of these, trim these a little bit right here where it pokes out, and then I think I'll have to redo this one. It's not quite long enough. There's a pretty big gap, and on this side I need to make the gap further this way to allow my e-brake to work. But all in all, it's looking pretty good. So this is what I ended up with. I relocated the kill switch a little closer so it'll be easier to get to. The dash looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. It's very clean. I'm going to add a couple of rocker switches to it. All in all, that's the build. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.